Hello, welcome to SourceFed. You just caught us descending from our pods. My name is Elliot Morgan.
I'm Joe Beretta.
Let's begin.
The quarterly review of biology came out, guys. Pick it up at your local scientific journal store.
They're everywhere.
In it, there's a little piece by University of California professor William Rice and Uppsala University professor Urban Freeberg that postulates that homosexuality is not genetic, despite everybody claiming that it is. So, what causes homosexuality? Well, it's not genetics. It's Satan. I mean epigenetics. And despite the fact that the word genetics is in the word epigenetics, it's a little different.
Epigenetics is described as the study of heritable changes in gene expression or cellular phenotype caused by mechanisms other than changes in the underlying DNA sequence. Hence the name epi, Greek, over, above, outer, genetics. That definition comes from Wikipedia. SourceFed.
In other words, it's the process where DNA expression is influenced, determined, manipulated, dictated by the environment during gestation and a little after birth. But these guys aren't just guessing about this. Oh, no. They are scientists.
They're professional thinkers.
They do this for a living.
They discovered sex-specific epimarks which get passed from father to daughter or mother to son. These epimarks are usually lost, but some aren't, and kind of cling to actual DNA and dictate what genes are expressed depending on how strong an external cue is. Usually, epimarks are brand new with every generation, but occasionally they're not. Fun, right? So now that we may know what causes homosexuality, we move on to the next question, which is, how do we go about curing it? That's not the real question.
He's being facetious.
Being facetious.
Just a joke. Now, I don't know about you guys, but whenever I hear sciencey theories, I think to myself, like, how do they know? You know, like when they say the dogs have a reduced color palette when they see, or when scientists say anything about space, or like, we breathe oxygen, or like stuff that you can't even possibly prove, or like, the Earth is thousands and thousands of years old.
Thousands.
Or like when they say the Earth is hundreds and hundreds of years old, like how do they know? You know, but usually I'm disappointed by the answer because it's too sciencey for me to understand. Like a mathematical model that mirrors evolutionary theory, and said model predicts the evolution of homosexuality in both sexes when canalizing epimarks are carried over from previous generations. You know, like how do they know?
How do they know? All of their research concludes that sexual orientation is a result of antagonistic epimarks that are inherited from the parent of the opposite sex. These epimarks typically protect early development in fetuses from varying testosterone levels. Damn you, testosterone.
Again.
Messing up everything. And the epimarks can have the effect of altering sexual orientation if passed to an opposite sex offspring. Science!
Science! So the real question is, does this change anything?
You know, Elliot, I don't think it does. I mean, I guess it does in that it's science and it adds a greater understanding to a socially relevant topic. Maybe it'll reduce homophobia, but probably not. Because while science says homosexuality isn't a choice, history tells us that people are horrible.
So tell us what you think. Will this change anything? Let me know in the comments section why so? Give me an example. Will it? Doomsday, optimistic, pessimistic, world's ending, in the comment section down below.
Then leave a little bit of your DNA on your mouse clicker as you click the annotation. Go to SourceFed.com to check out a bunch of other like fun story stuff that we do. I'm Joe Beretta.
I am Elliot Morgan.
I don't know enough about this topic to have like a witty quip or banter at the end of this piece. Bye.
Genetic mapping. That's it.
I said bye.
Dang it.